Okay, welcome back everybody. It's Big Al. I got something a little different this time around. I recently got some packages from, well, this one was from Steel Pinnings. And in the package was this collaboration lock. It's a ABIS. It says 83 AL45. Beautiful lock, but it is a challenge lock and it's a collaboration lock. Collaboration from Lockpicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi. And gotta tell you, I've been picking on it and I was able to get it open, but we all know what happens when the camera is on. So oh, here's the bitting on the key, by the way. And the lock does work like butter, as you would imagine from two good pickers and lock makers. So it does work good. So let me see. Like I said, with the camera on, I probably won't have as good a luck. But I'm gonna go for it. So let's see, where am I at? About right here-ish. I'm gonna do it in hand. That's probably about the best way to do padlocks as far as I'm concerned. Okay, so let's get at it. See if I can't do it on while the camera's on here. Starting in the back, get a feel. Get it. Yep. Oh. Had one right up here. There we go. I think it was two. Feels like maybe four. Got a little click. I think that was five. Yeah, I was honestly pretty surprised I got the sucker open because I am way out of practice on padlocks. Another nice little click. I got a little bit of a turn, but I'm not going to call that a false set quite yet. Felt good. Keep slipping around on me. Trying to get under the pins. Feels like right here. If I can stay under it, I might have it. There it is. Beautiful. Got that bad boy. Yeah, buddy. I will take that all freaking day long. Okay, let me go wider and bring the camera over, I guess this way. Where am I at? Right here. Let's go. I don't know where it's at. Let's go like this and get a pinning tray. Awesome. Freaking awesome. Alright, let me go wider. I mean, zoom in a little bit. There we go. So we got it. We got it open. We got a Phillips screw down the hole. That was freaking awesome. I'm so glad I got that on camera. Because I got it a little while ago finally off camera, and I was like, oh man, I hope I can catch that on film. I love it. I think that ball is keeping that screw in there. That's alright, we don't need it. Alright, let's see what we got here. So it's very much open. Fair enough. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up since we got a key. And get this clip off the back here. Oh man, I'm freaking shaking now. I got that picker shake now, boy. That's awesome. Great lock, by the way, guys. That was again from Lockpicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi. Freaking awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, got that little piece coming off the back there. I'm going to put this stuff aside right there. We don't need that stuff. We will need, oh man, it's got that pin. If I remember right, that pin just comes out. I had a problem with one of those before and found out that it just came out. Tell me it comes out. Okay, that one pushes in. See, the last time I had one similar to this, I tried pushing the pin in, it didn't work, and I found out it just came out. So we'll get it. Learning. Alright, definitely want to try to get one in there. Nice. Freaking nice. Okay. Follower. Oh yeah, I've got the shakes. This might be a little tricky because now I gotta get that pin also. There we go. My luck, this thing's gonna just blow up right here. You know, after getting it open and all that. Nope, okay, we're good. Alright, so no scary extra pins anywhere. 6 pins. Get out of there without dropping them. They all needed picking. Where are we at? Right here. Alright, get them laid out here. Boy, that was freaking awesome. Oops, that one goes in over here. That was 3, so this is 4. Jeez. 5 and 6. Alright. Get these flipped around here. Goes that way, goes that way, goes, I think that goes the other way. I'm going to have to get my specs on to see that. The camera can see better than I can. I go this way. Oh, that one can go either way. That's my guess. Alright. Take a look at the core. We've got threading in 1, 2, 4, and 6, and we got undercut in 3 and 5. Man, that camera picks up good. That was a good investment. Okay, get these tools out of the way here. Bada boom, bada bang. And let's go upstairs. See what we got upstairs. Alright. Whoops. Help to get the shim out of there. Yep, I'm nervous. First one looks like standard. Little steel spring, it looks like. Two looks like a spool. Looks like it's steel too. That may be the first time I've seen one of those. Three is a, wow, very beautiful. Beautiful. I'll get a close-up on these in a bit. That one's just gorgeous. Golly, man. Looks like a piece of jewelry. Seriously, it looks really good. Multi-serrated. Serrated completely up. Yeah, that's another beautiful piece of work right there. Yeah, they put some time into this. Let's go this other side. Whoa. And a spool. Looks like there's a tiny serration on each end of that spool too. Oh, sorry, that was 6. I went from the back side. 6, and then 5. Another one of those spools with kind of like serrations on the ends of the spool. And that was 5. Okay, now we can check upstairs. There's no mods in the Bible. I don't see any. Don't see them, don't feel them. Nope, nothing upstairs that I can tell. Okay, freaking awesome. So glad I got that. Again, that was a collaboration from Lockpicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi. I'm going to put this up like so. Bring the camera flat down so we can look at the pins real good. Beautiful pins, man. Gorgeous. Okay. Where are we at? Good golly. Hold it still, Al. Key pin. Double serration in top of number 1. Same thing in number 2, and it almost looks reduced a little bit. Standard in 3, 4, and 5, and then 6 triple serrated. Drivers, standard in 1, spool in 2. It looks like a steel spool. This is the one I was talking about, like a work of art, man, like a piece of jewelry. It's just beautiful. It's a spool in the center, but it's got serrations on each end right here. Fully serrated in 4. Spool with serrations on the end of them. Small, fine serrations. And same thing in number 6. And then all the springs they look like they're, well, I want to say steel, but they're not sticking to my tool, but they do look silver anyways. Alright, that's what we got. Thank you all so much for watching, and thank you Lockpicking Patrolman and Bill Bacardi for pinning this bad boy up. It was freaking phenomenal. Awesome. Big Al, signing off.